It was hard for me being that young and being in the industry and not knowing where to turn, and everyone, telling me they love me and, just turn their back on you in a second.
So we live outside the courtroom, and Diddy is to remain behind bars. His bail was denied again.
Combs allegedly planned and controlled the sex performances, which he called freak-offs, and he often electronically recorded them. The freak-offs sometimes lasted days at a time.
You're gonna hear about my party, they're gonna be shutting them down, they're gonna probably...
Oh, you can't go down. They don't even talk about it.
No bail.
The names that we're going to name are names that will shock you.
Today, the case against Diddy took an even more disturbing turn. For the first time, we're hearing allegations of sexual assault involving minors.
Our youngest victim at the time of the occurrence was 9 years old. We have an individual who was 14 years old. We have one who was 15.
Today,
You can't have the punishment before the conviction. The process mandates bail, release pending conviction. So try to say that he may have tampered with witnesses, etc. There's no evidence that he did this subsequent to being charged. Try to say that he presents a flight risk and everything like that. There's no evidence that he ever sought to evade prosecution. It's called pre-invention. You can't do that. You can't say punish a person for something they might do. They can only punish the person for something they have done.
Well, I just wanted to be a good example, and it was hard for me being that young and being in the industry and not knowing where to turn, and everyone, telling me they love me and, just turn their back on you in a second. I just want to protect her, I don't want her to go through anything I went through. I don't wish that upon anybody.
She's at the front right there. That's mom. Can you speak at the microphones? Can you come to the microphone?
Sorry, brother. Sorry. We want to hear from you. Anything you want to say at this point. You're in court.
You love your son.
Is justice being served here?
Comment before you go back to Florida. Any comment?
Rico, what's next for bail?
That's why I was asking. Okay. Counselor, you're going to talk?
I'm really excited to have babies with you, enjoy, just celebrate, all the amazing things that we've been given. Because we are blessed, babe. We are, man. There's so much pain in the world, and we don't understand why, and there's so much things that are so unexplainable, but what is the reality? We are blessed,
Puppy's a monster. Puppy's a monster.
I feel like
He tried to kill me one night in New York City. He's a monster.
It's almost misleading. Repetitively.
Watch yourself. Get on the sidewalk, please.
By the way, I'm sure Evan's will be around.
I spoke with Texas attorney Tony Busby, who is representing 120 new accusers in upcoming lawsuits.
You mentioned that there will be cases filed by as many as 25 different minors right now. And specifically, you mentioned a 9-year-old boy. Tell us about what you know about that case.
The allegation is going to be that a 9-year-old child was sexually assaulted, allegedly by Sean Combs and several others.
You're going to name names in these lawsuits. As of now, do you have celebrity names?
I do. I think people already are suspecting some of the names that you might see. I think some of them will be shocking, though. People that attended the parties, that watched some of this behavior occur and stood by and let it happen.
Speak in the microphones, please.
Can you speak in the microphone?
Yeah, the microphones are over here.
Can you do my front, please? What about this?
That's fine. Microphones, guys. Anthony, you spoke to him. How is he doing? What's the appeal here? You spoke to him at length.
He's doing fine. It's a difficult circumstance. He's making the best of the situation. You know, Dr. King called it the law of unintended consequences. Sometimes the more people push you down, the stronger you get.
Anthony, can we just in the mic?
All of this as Diddy's legal team filed an appeal hoping to reverse the judge's decision to revoke bail.
Mr. Combs' lawyers responded to the allegations, and they said they can't answer every baseless lawsuit. What is your response to that?
I think that's right. But the good news for them is that when we file the lawsuit, we're going to make sure they know who the plaintiff is. We'll address it in due course.
Thank you for watching Noble Black News, where we strive to bring you the real stories and perspectives that truly matter. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your community, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Together, let's continue to uncover the untold stories and celebrate the achievements of the global Black community. Stay tuned for more powerful stories. Until next time.